Alright, YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Solo GS Rider. As always, it's Saturday. We're going on a pretty nice group ride. We got the crew ready here. All the riders are ready. And today's plan is to go round top via some longer route. So that's the plan. So we're gonna hop back on the road here and hit the highway. Actually, all back roads. All right, guys. So all the guys are right behind me. We just left Bucky's gas station, our meetup point in Katy, Texas. Weather is just fantastic. Nice and cool breeze, 70 Fahrenheit. And it's about 8 o'clock and 17 minutes, and we on way to Round Top, Texas. Normally, if you go to Round Top, Texas, you can go fairly quicker way, but we decided to take a longer route to Round Top, Texas. So we took Highway 529 and we just wanted to avoid coming off the Brookshire downtown itself. It's a small downtown, but it's just too many traffic lights, and it's a Saturday, so I'm sure there are quite a number of people on the road right now, especially on a Saturday here. I always see a lot of bicyclists riding. They start their ride early, and I just want to make sure we avoid any interruptions there and give them space to ride. So hopefully we only ran into a few, but yeah, so far fantastic morning. Everybody's enjoying the ride. So guys, this is what I was talking about. Normally the bicyclists always go early, just like we all do. So yeah, we just need to respect and make sure to give them enough space. Okay guys, so this town we are passing is called Hempstead, Texas. It's not far from, it's about an hour or so from where we left this morning. It's a beautiful, nice little town for sure. There's a lot of cafe places and some good food places to eat around here, but outside of that, nothing crazy in this town. Alright guys, so we almost here in Chapel Hill, Texas, and we're just gonna pull here at the Valero gas station, Texas. is everybody's pulling in. This is Alex. That's fine. All of our bikes. So this is all the bikes we have. Alex, that's the 1250 GSA, 1250 GS. Here is Tom, 1250 GS. A lot of good bike, and Honda CBR. So yeah, we're gonna hop back up on the road again and go through some nice back roads. All right, we're back on the road. Here is everybody right in here. Look at this nice small buildings, offices. I think they have a pickup too.
I might take it.
But the chicken at the Royers is pretty famous.
Yeah, but I've already eaten there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Try something new.
Yeah, try different. So we're here, guys, in Round Top, Texas. It was a amazing journey. Here is. Oh, you got your snacks. Okay, cool. And here, people are enjoying. We just parked our bikes here, and they sat on a shade up there. I'm gonna be set up right here with other folks. And the guys brought their food from home.
That's not a camera, that's a...
This is my GoPro.
That's a baby camera.
That's my baby.
You gonna take baby pictures?
You want me to take your pictures?
Yeah.
Alright, these guys are ready to go.
Yeah, we gotta eat first, baby. We need some work here.
Okay. We can leave Aijas here.
I know. I'll follow you guys. Yeah, there's always like a
This
dirt
is
road.
beautiful patio here.
Every time I see a dirt road, I'm like thinking about this guy. Today we will try some 30 roads. It's not good for you. I know. At one point, I thought like, man, my
So this is Henkel Square in Round Top. These are all nice little cafe and dining places to eat, and also where you can actually do a food pickup, and some gift shop and all that. Beautiful. I can hear the music is playing too. It's a beautiful place. I actually do come here quite often. Yeah, so guys are still having their lunch. Some of them, they order their meal. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're ready to, we just had a lunch here, and
Can you give me a push? It was kind of a...
yeah, I'll give you a push. Oh yeah.
I thought I was going to have plenty of room to...
Yeah, you definitely need it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Great, thanks.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's been a fantastic day so far. It's about noon, and I think we're all about to head back home here. And yeah, what we did is we stopped here at the Round Top, and you probably all see we had a picnic here. We didn't do any picnic, but like bring your own lunch, and kind of we picked a place where you can actually also do a curbside pickup, or you can also do a takeout and still enjoy the food. So it was a great time. Good to see everybody today. It's been after a long time I put this meetup together, especially with the West Power Sport Motorplex. So it's been great to see everybody after a long time. Normally I do ride with my other group, which normally on a weekly basis, but this was really good today. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's short video, my moto vlog. And as always, if you happen to be first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and do whatever you want to do. So enjoy your Saturday, and hope to see you all on next vlog. Until then, you all take care. Always wear the protective gears and ride with the helmet on. Thanks guys.